Leclerc Evolution in 2026. France's bold leap into next-gen armored warfare. When the battlefield evolves, only the bold adapt. While global attention often turns to American and Russian armor advancements, France is quietly crafting its own revolution. The Leclerc Evolution, a cutting-edge main battle tank, MBT, prototype that blends modern firepower with advanced survivability and AI-driven systems. Unveiled during Eurosatory 2024 by KNDS France, the Leclerc Evolution is not a mere upgrade, it's a redefinition. Though still in its prototype stage in 2026, this tank represents France's vision of future warfare, and it's turning heads across NATO and beyond. By 2026, the Leclerc Evolution has undergone extensive testing and system integration. Here's why this tank stands out. ASCALON 120mm smoothbore cannon, future-proofed for 140mm compatibility, offering unmatched firepower among NATO MBTs. Trophy Active Protection System APS, combined with next-gen modular armor, capable of neutralizing incoming missiles and RPGs. Remote Controlled Weapon Station RCWS, with a 30mm autocannon, perfect for engaging drones, infantry, and light vehicles. AI-assisted fire control and targeting systems, allowing the crew to identify, track, and engage threats faster than ever. Full digital integration, enabling real-time data sharing with drones, command centers, and other armored units across the battlespace. Enhanced crew survivability with CBRN protection, interior cooling, and a redesigned semi-digital cockpit. The Leclerc Evolution isn't just about brute strength, it's about battlefield intelligence. At just under 55 tons, it's lighter than many Western MBTs like the Leopard 2A7 and Abrams SEPV3, allowing for superior mobility in varied terrain, from urban combat to rapid flanking maneuvers. Its modular design allows for mission-specific upgrades, making it ideal for allies looking to customize for jungle warfare, desert operations, or hybrid conflict zones. In 2026, the Leclerc Evolution is still in pre-production, undergoing final evaluations. However, early feedback from the French Army and other European partners has been overwhelmingly positive. It's viewed as a foundation for next-gen tank warfare, a platform ready to adapt alongside AI-powered reconnaissance systems, drone swarms and uncrewed support vehicles, electronic warfare and cybersecure communications. The Leclerc Evolution was never built for today's war, it was forged for the wars of tomorrow. In a future dominated by high-tech sensors, rapid strike capabilities, and drone saturation, France's bet is clear. The main battle tank isn't obsolete, it just needs to evolve. And evolve it has. Fast, connected, smart, lethal. The Leclerc Evolution doesn't shout, it stalks. It doesn't just survive, it dominates. Because in modern warfare, the most dangerous weapon isn't always the loudest, it's the most prepared.